So, ang ano ko, describe ko lang kay Cheska, lagi siya nandyan for up and down ko, and sa mga sa mga bagay-bagay na malungkot ako, nandyan din siya.
That I can't take what's left behind. What's yours could soon be mine. On the level with you.
Happy birthday, Chess. I love you. God bless always.
If you think that you could handle this, then you better know you're messing with savages, savages, we're savages.
Ang message ko sa iyo, Kengs, tuparin mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Huwag kang magmamadali sa lahat ng bagay, okay? Make your parents proud always.
Si Cheska, tahimik lang yan, lagi lang nasa bahay.
Muna lang kasi maliit yan, sweet yan sa akin. So, medyo ngayong lumaki, siyempre babae medyo. Pero malapit yan, alam ko yung pag may kailangan, lalapit yan. Sa kalalambing yan.
With you. If you think that you could handle this, then you better know you're messing with savages, savages, we're savages. If you think that you can handle this.
Si Ate Chess po, partner in crime. Kasi alam niya lahat ng kalokohan ko, ganun. Alam namin. Alam ng bawat isa. Sa amin lang.
Si Cheska, mabait yan, laging maaasahan, laging nandyan pag kailangan mo. Tapos, matalino din yan. Pag may pag sa kanya, gagawin niya agad.
Si Cheska po yung maaasahan ko po kasi po every time po na medyo malungkot po ako, nandiyan po siya palagi po sa akin para kausapin ako, i-guide po ako, parang yun.
Happy birthday, King. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral at sana yung lahat ng pangarap natin, pangarap mo ay matupad. Alam ko kaya mo yan. Nandito lang ako.
If you think that you can handle this, then you better know you're messing with savages, savages, we're savages. If you think that you can handle this, you gotta know who you've been messing with. Savages, savages, we're savages. Can you handle this? We're savages. Can you handle this? We're savages.
Happy birthday, Chess! I love you!
Happy birthday!